So hello my beautiful people, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and there is just something very important I want to talk to you about. You see them bag there behind me? Yes, I'm gonna talk to you about those bags. Alright, so guys, look into my pot. I'm going to put in some mango leaves, so by the time I finish this video, whoa, water hot. By the time I finish this video, this tea will be ready. All right, so guys, do not watch the umbrella. I just hung up the umbrella there because in case of rain or anything. So my daughter now, she don't live with me. She stays with her grandma in the country. She come and she see me with all of these bags tied up on the grill. And then she have the audacity for come ask me, say, Mommy, why you have so much bush tie up in so much in a them bag here? So guys, I'm gonna pull each bag and then tie up for so long. And I'm gonna bring each bag outside and show you what I have in each of these bags. Alright? So just give me the chance to pull each bag. The one they're not pulling so easy. Well, tie them up. Well, tie up the bags then on the grill. Alright, so we're going to open up and unravel what kind of bush I have in each of these bags. The one here are the problem. Hold on, it's so pull, no worry yourself. And guys, I'm going to tell you the purpose each of them bush here, because a lot of people would understand the importance of having bush, but I'm gonna share some of the importance right now. So guys, I have all the bags here in front of me. So first, since she's asking about the bush, let me explain. The first set of bush that I have in my house is the guava leaf. Everybody know the fruit guava. You can take guava make drinks, you can take guava and do all sorts of something. But this is the guava leaf. See, it was a full bag, full to the brim, and then this is what left over. How did I end up with guava leaf into my house? Well, one day I just feel sick. Couple months ago, very sick. I couldn't keep anything in my stomach. I was getting skinny. I couldn't eat. Everything was feel like my whole life mash up. So I go to the doctor, and the doctor stopped giving me the regular medication. When he stopped giving me the regular medication, now he said, look here, get the guava leaf and then use the guava leaf with the turmeric and boil it, and it will help to regulate the stomach lining. So I beg some guava leaf. One of my co-workers bring some guava leaf for me, and I use it, and at the time it was helping because he no want to give me too much medication because he never sure. He wasn't 100% sure what was happening to my body. You know, because I was sick to the point where I couldn't even eat. But I still have to get up, go to work, and all of that. So that is how I end up with the guava leaf right here. So guys, being sick wasn't a nice experience. Let me just share one little bit about it, because the experience wasn't nice. Yeah, so the first time when I realized that, first it started with headaches. It started with me start feeling pain in my foot, and the pain get worse. And when the pain get worse, I could hardly walk. And then I have to buy slippers where I go work, ban up the foot. May I tell you, it was drama. Then nothing could keep down in my stomach. Not at all. I could keep down. And when I eat, I just get sick, especially fried food and all of them, something there. So that's why I had to go to the doctor regularly. And then I shared this information with one of my cousins. And like I just said to her, say, I'm sick because they will always check up on me and everything, you know. Hey, cut me off. She was like, okay, alright. And that, me not hear from her again. She not even call back. She say, how you do? How you feeling? Did you get the chance to go to the doctor? Nothing. You see, when me I got doctor, pressure high. Pressure 200 and something over something. And then high pressure there me having. Me I tell you, I never want normal experience. Then I had another cousin when I reached out to her and I said, you know, say me sick. And she was like, okay, get well soon. I found that, hey, me not hear from her. Me even did have some people foreign who used to communicate with me. And everybody just cut me off. And I said, no, this not normal. This not normal. But me I go back to my bush. My bush helped me. And that's how I end up with it. So let me go into the other bag. So in this bag now, I have, in this bag I have some cinnamon leaf. And most of the time I do porridge. It doesn't matter the type of porridge that I'm doing. Any porridge that I'm doing, I will use my cinnamon leaf. If it's cornmeal porridge, if it's oats porridge, if it's plantain porridge, any porridge, I make sure I put my cinnamon leaf into it. So that's how I end up with my cinnamon leaf in the house. In the cinnamon leaf bag, the same bag that I'm going through, I just show you the type of bush I'm having in my house. So guys, watch your entire video. Watch out all of the video then. I did get some cerasee. Because how did I end up with the cerasee? At the time, I thought that I was going to die. Yeah. So me, I say, I know what, make me get some cerasee, boil it and drink it, because everybody did say cerasee good for the belly, good for the tummy, and cerasee can help do this and help do that. So me now have to cut off of the whole medication. They weren't helping. All of the medication weren't helping, so what did I have to do? I had to turn to bush. So that's how I have cerasee hung up in my kitchen. Yes. So I'm going to go to my big bag now, my big black bag. So in my big black bag, it mix up with different bush. So first, I'm going to start with the soursop leaf. Why do I drink soursop leaf? Because when I was sick, and the last time when I went to work, I ate some food. And when I eat the food, I have to go to the doctor. I have to end up, I said to him, I had a brother that was close to me, and I said to him, I'm sick. Can you take me to the doctor? And he said, yeah man, see the car there, drive yourself. And me pick up the car tomorrow. And me say, I feel some pain when me I drive myself go to the hospital. So when I reach to the hospital now, when the doctor them look for me, them just say surgery. Them just say, oh, I'm going to call a surgeon, and we'll get the surgeon to get your information, and then we will take it from there. Them do me normal blood pressure or something like too high. Blood pressure high, me can't walk in a pain. Stiff up, me just a ball out in the hospital. Why? But God bless me with two great, this is Mandeville Regional Hospital. And God bless me with two wonderful student surgeon. You know, like, yeah, study and then come and them I do them test out for you. I'm glad I two student surgeon we get. So they come, they take the information, then they bring back the information to their supervisor, and then they come back to me and they say, where you feeling the pain? Who? What is happening? Who? And they do the test, they pull me up, they do everything, they string me up. Then now they come back to me and say, Miss Price, you have to sign all these documents because we have to do surgery right away. I say, Jesus Christ. Hey, I have to do the surgery right away. So I go to the hospital, say 11 o'clock in the night, and I did the surgery, say 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. But my pressure still high. Then after I got through that the life and death near experience, I could even walk, talk, and nobody beside me. At the time though, what I did, there's a lady that lived beside me, so I just pack up everything and she kept the baby. So me alone ride out my storm. You know, so me all of me do my surgery, me can't walk. If you see me, I walk and I hop and I do all sorts of stuff. So I still boil this. This now. Before I go to that one. Then also into my bag, I have some mango leaf. Ha 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 ha. I have some mango leaf. Why you think I have the mango leaf? I did have some more, but then don't have. Because I have the pressure. So I boil 3 of this per day or every other 2 days or so. Sometimes I drink it cold, sometimes I drink it hot. You know, but me just use it for help to regulate the pressure. Because at the time when I got sick, I saw me look like one little piece of stick. I never look like myself. I could even come and do no video. No video at all I could come and do. No video me could come and do. I could go nowhere. I could only go to work, and when I go to work I have to come back home and I'm pain. And even when me there work and I explain to my co-worker them when I go through, me not think them understand. Me not think them understand all of the pressure, but one person, 2 colleagues understood what I was going through because they had been sick and they had went through a similar thing that I had went through. So I said, Lord, thank you for saying somebody will understand my struggles and my pain. But that is how me have my mango leaf. Then now I have the leaf alive. I drink the leaf alive now and then because I have the sinus problem. And you know a lot of Jamaicans have trouble with sinus. If I drive from here, so go Kingston, by the time I come back I hear and all of my throat I get peer problem and them little something there. So when I do long distance driving, change environment, the dust, everything when I work out right with me, me have to boil some of this and drink it. It helped me with my sinus. This is my opinion and what them bush here do for me and why them bush here is inside of my kitchen. You know get that? Yes, I hope you subscribe to the channel because 1 year me missing. 1 year out of sickness, 1 year out of stress. Look here, not even my eyes them never work properly. The amount of pain me feeling in my eyes them, may I tell you. I go through it and I go through it alone. Why did I go through it alone? Because I have children and they're young and I don't want my young children to see me going through all of those pain, all of those suffering, all of those everything that I'm going through. So I send away all of them and go through it alone. I also have the pimento leaf where I just drink this pimento tea because when I did grow up, when I did young, my granny used to boil one whole heap of pimento tree bush give me. So me now, when me come up, me just anytime I go country, I make sure so I get some pimento bush and I boil some pimento tea nice. It's nice for me because I grew up drinking this. So that's how I end up with the pimento bush. I'll one YouTuber reach out, call me and say, hi, how are you? And I say, you know that I'm sick, hey. From that day, me not hear from that the person there again. Somebody who used to communicate and talk. So I'm tell you something. You say when you're sick and you're in Jamaica, make sure so you have your money. Make sure so you have people who love you and can support you. Make sure say you have people who can keep your children in case anything happen to you. Make sure say you can survive on your own, you can hop it out. Just when I do my surgery and the storm come 2 days after my surgery. So I do my surgery, say maybe the Friday and the storm come, we not even know. So I do it the Sunday whenever. A storm come the Tuesday. And I don't remember where storm name. And the storm come and I live in a good house. I not live in a no house where the top will blow off because we have the decking. But the water come under the door and me alone the home, and I couldn't even get up. I couldn't even get up to just say me sweep out some water. So I go through the storm. So it doesn't matter what challenge you go through, what you go through whenever the storm comes. Make sure that you succeed and pull through it. You pull through it. Them bushes smell nice. All when I drink my bush them, I not even drink my bush them with sugar. I just drink them same way. And the other day, I walk on the road and I hear one little man say, "Oh, how you look so young? Yeah, look young." I say, "Yeah, man. I'm getting back to my normal state." Once he say me I look young, I know say me I get back to my normal state. So guys, showing you my mango leaf. 3 leaf I put into this pot and it's boiling now. And I'm going to drink this hot. What I'm going to do is just to throw it into a cup and then just sip it. Take me a little time and sip it until it's in my system and I'm feeling great about it. But look what I have to go to now. You know, in my age, I have to turn to herbs. And not even say herbs, bush, leaves, regular leaves on the trees and so on. This is what I'm using now to say. It smells so good. It smells so good. So I'm going to throw it some in the cup. I'm going to make it go and simmer. And then I'm going to drink it just like that. And this will take me throughout the day. So guys, I do hope that you enjoy this video. This is my mango leaf tea. I don't put no sugar in there because I feel like sugar not good for my body. I don't put no sugar in there, but it's nice, it's delicious. The hot dough. So and it smells good too. It tastes good, it smells good, and it is good for your body. Hot. So share with me in the comment section what kind of bush you have in your house and why you have them. Why you have them? Remember my bush them? Guava leaf. I don't know the guava fruit, I don't know the guava tree. I don't care have a guava leaf. This was recommended by my doctor for my stomach lining to help with my stomach due to my sickness. I have my regular cerasine now and then I just boil it and drink it. You know, them herb I bring me back to my natural state. I boil it, I drink it. You know, and may I be honest, it doesn't matter what sickness you have or what you're going through. Once you go back to your bush or your herb, trust me. Once you go back to your bush and your herb, trust me. Right? Then, you know what I have to boil my cornmeal porridge. So I have this in my house. I have my mango tree in my house. My mango tree leaf. I have my leaf alive from my drink for my sinus now and then. You know, I a little cool and the kids may boil get the baby too. And I have my soursop leaf when I use for my pressure. Them 2 leaves I use for my pressure. Guys, I also have some coconut now and then I chop them and I drink yam. That is yam and soursop. I make some soursop juice whenever it is that I'm ready. So guys, that's it. hopefully in 2025 I will be able to do some more videos, some great videos for you. Go back out and enjoy the content. Oh, I don't feel any pain anymore in my legs. My foot is healed. Only the pressure is there. My head is healed. My stomach is healed. My surgery went well. Whatever happened to my body, me don't know, but it never normal. It wasn't a normal experience, but I know that as I said, it wasn't a normal experience. My phone just turned over. So let me go back to it. It wasn't a normal experience, but I am blessed, healed, covered under the blood, and I make sure that I pray daily and keep God close to me. So my valuable subscribers, my lovers, everybody, I do hope you understand why I did missing for the year. And I do hope you understand why I have so much bush tie up in my kitchen. I explained to my daughter already, but may I reach out to you guys to explain too why I have so much bush tie up into my kitchen. I miss you guys so much. I miss you guys, but if only you know that understand the pain and the trials and the struggles that I've been through. And may I tell you something? I say when you're sick, make sure say you have money. Make sure say you have bad. If you don't have no money, dog are gonna name your supper. So put away some money to the side for sickness, for emergency and all of that. I had no one to, but just in case I have nobody to call on, put away some little emergency funding right now in case you have to, do some major surgery like what I did, and then look at something you have to take care of yourself, and have to pay somebody to take care of you, and to pay somebody to help you out, and to pay somebody to keep the children, and to pay somebody to cook, to pay somebody to give you some food. Yeah, that was it. But it passed and it gone, and I'm coming back to my normal state right now, and I hope to do some more videos in 2025. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye. Guys, I'm lazy if you get up for real. I'm there I do the video, I'm just lazy, but I go finish up, I now move until I finish the tea, then I get up and do what I have to do. Because I have to drink this tea. This is a part of my life right now.
Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of